Hi friends, I'm headed over to Target and I'm inviting you to come with me. Let's go shopping.
Target's putting out more new items that I wanted to share with you, starting with these glass jars for $3 a piece. They come in this beautiful pink and the clear with a bit of a basket weave. They also have the little carafe jars in a sliced lemon print and this beautiful floral. These are also $3 a piece and have the cork lids. And some cutting boards. Yes, Easter cutting boards. They have a bunny and an egg for $5 a piece. They also put out some more watering cans. This one in white, Plant Dreams. These are also $5 and they have a beautiful black with a little bit of copper and a really bright yellow. Another cute find are these little egg holders. They're just little black wire baskets for $3 a piece. They definitely have that farmhouse look and go with some of the other egg holders I showed in the last shop with me. They have put out a couple of pillows, Hello Spring and Bless Our Nest. This one matches the dish towels I've showed before with a blue back. This one's got a little bit of trim in blue and a floral back for $5 a piece. They're putting out some beautiful glass bud vases. These are all $1 and coordinate with the cake stands and some of the other glass items they're putting out for Easter. They have a few different designs, but the colors are all teal, pink, and clear. Now for some of their salt and pepper shakers. This little set of blue eggs. They are all $3 a pair. And also come in this version, which is like a carrot growing out of the ground, and the bunny with the carrot. To match some of their glass items, they're also putting out these mini egg holders in teal, clear, and pink for just $1 a piece. And they're doing some miniature ceramic colanders. They do look a little bit like an Easter egg. I just found it in the blue here today for $3. They're doing a few miniature wreaths, this one in the lamb's ear and this one in the grapevine with just a little bit of greenery. They are $3 a piece and probably right around 6 inches. Now for some of their napkin holders. They have these, the little bunnies on a jute twine ring for $3. They also have these little wooden rings with carrots and a little bit of raffia, and this set of 6 bunnies. They're all different colors. They also put out the set of 6 wooden eggs. I know a lot of you talked about this in the comment section, and yes, they brought them back for $3. They have a few dish towels and pot holder sets for $3 in the carrots, Welcome Spring with the tulips, and We Believe in the Easter Bunny in pink. They have quite a few banners out in the eggs with plaid and floral. These are all $3 a piece. They also have it in the pastel eggs, in the wooden version that says Happy Easter, and in the felt carrots. They brought back the chalkboards. These are very similar to the ones we saw at fall, with a really simple stand in purple, blue, and white. These are all $3 a piece. A couple of new runners I got to see in person. This plaid for $3 that coordinates with some of the dish towels we've seen, and a new print with some Easter eggs on it. They're putting out some wooden planked items for $3, a very large Easter egg that you could DIY. They also have 3 bunnies. This one looks like he's doing the disco. It also comes in 2 other versions. To go along with some of their spring and garden items, they have these little wooden hanging plaques for $1. They're very small, and in the same size, they have these little garden hooks. They are also $1 and come in a few different patterns. Another new garden item are these little metal hanging houses. They're actually little apple bird feeders. They've got a nice little stake on the back of them, and they're $3. They're also putting out some younger looking signs. They have Spring Has Sprung and Happy Easter. These are $3 standing signs. The bunny on this one does move. And to coordinate with those, they have quite a few banners. This one in the Easter eggs. They're all also $3. They have it in the bunnies, Happy Easter, and the little chicks. They're also putting out this standing Easter activity tree. It does have a little kickstand in the back and is $3. They have the little $1 canvas bunny treat bags. The melamine children's plates. They come in 4 different prints. And some larger melamine Easter egg trays for $3. They brought back the little bundles of carrots in felt. These are $3 and they come in a really bright chartreuse and green stem. And at a different Target, I found them in the more natural burlap finish. Our last trip in, we found the chalkboard eggs. Well, this time I found the white as well as a bundle of colored, and they are $3 a dozen. They also have these felt standing DIY kits for kids in a brown bunny, frog, the white bunny, and a purple egg. They're putting out some fun hats, including this little baseball cap bunny version for $3. They have the little Boy Fedoras for $5, a few different bands on them. And for the girls, they have these adorable little hats. They are only $3 a piece and have a beautiful floppy bow. They brought back the suspenders. These are for ages 3 and up. They come in a few different colors and patterns for $3. For $3, they have the bunny headbands in pink, yellow, and teal. And for $1, they have plenty of Easter bunny ears to choose from. I'm starting to find a lot of little goodies for Easter baskets, including this $5 stationery kit. It comes in its own little holder. They also have a lot of fun little action figures for boys and girls for $3 a piece. They also have the little $3 felt activity books in frogs, bunnies, and chicks, as well as lots of little stuffies. All of these are $3 and they each have a gingham bow. They have the little string art kits in bunnies, eggs, and chicks for $3. And also for $3, the little Lego kits in a couple different colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me to Target today and seeing what I'm finding that's new for Easter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.